And
Yes.
and again.
And no, and Mary.
Not anybody. Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Machoge.
Why are you drinking the drink? What is the fun? Steve.
Oh. Joshua. Simon. Samuel.
Hi, Mama.
David.
Timothy.
For the lunch, let's grab for the Madam here.
Thank you. We are Tvet ourselves, and our annual target, tree growing target, is 5 million. And so this season, because now in the entire Tvet fraternity, we are about 700,000 young people. So we are targeting that every young person plants 5 trees, and that is 3.5 trees. So we are targeting in this rainy season, we want to plant 3.5. We have already planted million, and we have already planted 2.5 million. So if we manage the 3.5 million, and we are determined to achieve that 3.5 million plus, then we will even have surpassed our annual target. So we are here today and in every part of this country to launch this season's tree growing season. And we have planted about 10,000 seedlings today, and we want to achieve the same across the country, so that by the end of the season we will have planted 3.5 million.
Tupatie kivuli mingi kabisa na ndege wengi wakuja wapate huko, yes, ili isaidie uhuru wa country. Sure. Nyumba za ndege kabisa na diversity.
And the reason why Kiambu is very key is that when it comes to conservation, matters conservation, they have a full-fledged department for that, and they are leading from the front. And that is why we are saying that it became the natural choice for us to come and launch this week-long tree planting in the Tvet sector. And the reason we want to do this is that we just don't want to plant trees. We want to plant trees. We also want to ensure that we teach our youth on the importance of conservation. That is why we prefer to grow these trees, plant them alongside our students, so that they will be able to be citizens who are responsible for the environment. Because once we plant the tree, it might be good for us for the next 10 years. But when we plant the trees alongside our students and we teach them the importance of trees, this one is going to benefit us for eternity, because they are going to teach their children, and this conservation strategy is going to be ingrained into the posterity, and we are going to be able to roll back the negative effects of the climate change. Thank you.
You never know. Nobody could be this.
Takua mrefu kuliko the conference center. Ndege and all good animals we live there. Yes. Patch there. Huku mvua haitawahi kosa.
Then with the rest of us.
It's a blessing. Yeah.
We are looking at Makamia.
Asante sana.
Thank you. They are great habitat for birds, the butterflies, and the finest trees.
Yes, State Department of Tvet is also collaborating with KEFI, and this year KEFI has given us or donated us 18 million seeds that we have distributed in all the Tvet institutions, and we have nurseries established. And they have also given us a lot of technical support in terms of how to do the nursery establishment and management, and you can see that the germination levels have really gone up most of that.
In terms of planting trees, we are there. We are partnering with the Kiambu County. We are partnering with the Kenya Forest Services, who have given us a part of Kinare Forest. We are given 10 hectares, which we are planting. I want to say that in terms of environment, addressing the climate change issues, we are very keen. We are engaging not just in tree planting, but we are also doing a lot of water harvesting. We are also minimizing on our plastic waste that is generated from our institution. Like I said, we are now removing plastic bottled water from our institution, where we will be dispensing water in dispensers to ensure that the plastic we generate is minimized.